Why AI fails without DevOps? What no one tells you. Everyone's hyped about AI. Almost nobody talks about the engine underneath it. This post is about how DevOps and containers turn AI from a demo into something you can actually ship. Everyone talks about AI, no one talks about what powers it. AI gets all the attention right now. LLMs, code generation, multimodality, the endless AGI chatter. But ask what's under the hood and the room goes quiet. These models are huge. They want hundreds of gigabytes, GPUs, stability, versioning, monitoring. None of that runs itself. So here's the question worth asking. What actually makes this work in production? Strip out the DevOps foundation, and you're left with a cool demo, not a product. So in this post, I want to walk through why DevOps and containers are what make AI real. The magic isn't magic. It's DevOps. ChatGPT answers in 2 seconds. Midjourney paints in 5. Behind that, dozens of services, container orchestration, model loading, GPU balancing. The magic is just plumbing you don't see. OpenAI serves millions of requests per second. They lean on containers, autoscaling, canary deployments. Not because it's trendy, because there's no other way to do it. Now look at Hugging Face Spaces. Every app runs in its own container, which is exactly why one of them can go from 1 user to 10,000 without falling over. Pull DevOps out from under that, and the whole thing collapses. DevOps is the backbone of AI. Training a model, you need the right drivers, the right CUDA, the right PyTorch version. Containers pin all of that in a minute. Want training, testing, and deployment to run themselves? Then you need CI/CD, monitoring, and alerting. No way around it. Need to version models, trace what changed, and log every inference. Now you're squarely in DevOps territory. I've watched teams fine-tune a model and then realize nobody could reproduce the result. It had been trained on a stale dataset. No pipeline, no versioning, no record of what actually happened. That's not bad luck. That's a missing process. Containers are the AI team's secret weapon. Containers are a force multiplier for AI teams. Plain and simple. Dev environments, isolated, testing, repeatable. Model versions, locked, tagged, reproducible. Stability AI trained their models across GPU clusters, with each node running inside a container, so the results stayed consistent. Without containers, your infrastructure becomes a minefield. An AI team running without DevOps is a pilot with a plane and no runway. Without DevOps, you get chaos. Here's what I've watched happen more than once. Model trained, weights overwritten by accident, inference works locally, fails in prod. Upgraded PyTorch, CI/CD crashes across the board. Every one of those is a DevOps problem. DevOps is the thing that brings order. It's what makes sure the thing that worked today still works tomorrow. Your AI DevOps stack, what real teams use. So here's what a real DevOps stack looks like for a modern AI team. Built for scale, reproducibility, and your own sanity. Docker, for reproducible environments so your code runs the same everywhere, from your laptop to a production cluster. COM test containers plus DVC. Test containers spin up real services like databases or queues during testing. DVC, data version control, version your datasets just like code, essential for email reproducibility. GitHub Actions, GitLab, CI, CD. Automate testing, model training, and deployment pipelines with modern CI/CD tools. GitHub Actions, GitLab, CI/CD Kubernetes, plus Argo CD. Kubernetes, run and scale containers reliably. Argo CD, GitOps-style continuous delivery. Keep production in sync with your Git repos. Monitoring stack. Prometheus, metrics collection. Grafana, dashboards and visualization. Grafana Loki, centralized log aggregation, ML experiment tracking. ML flow or weights and biases. Track metrics, parameters, and artifacts across experiments. Security and policy. HashiCorp Vault, manage secrets securely. OPA, enforce policies as code. SNIKE, scan for vulnerabilities in dependencies and containers. None of this is a trendy checklist. It's what lets teams ship reliable, scalable, and production-grade AI systems. Skip it and you're building sandcastles. Run it and you're shipping real products. Where you fit in? Machine learning engineer? Learn to write a Docker file. It'll spare your team a world of pain. Working in DevOps? Step into the ML side. You'll become the backbone of the team almost overnight. Team lead? Don't wait for something to break first. Put money into DevOps on day one. Skip it and your AI stays trapped in Jupyter notebooks. Invest in it, and it turns into a real product. The real magic of AI is in the delivery. Containers, CI, CD, GitOps. These aren't buzzwords. They're the engineering core of AI in 2025. LLMs are impressive, sure. But the real magic is everything running cleanly, from training through deployment at the exact moment you need it. Thank you for reading. Don't forget to check out the video version for additional insights and visuals.